Bonjour and welcome back. Yesterday, you learned how to greet someone and introduce yourself in French. Today, we are learning something you will use every single day. That's numbers from 1 to 10. Let's dive in. Let's start with first five numbers and repeat after me when there is a pause. Un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq. Let's count from 1 to 5 together. Repeat after me. Un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq. Great job. Now let's learn the next five numbers. Six, sept, huit, neuf. These, let's count from 6 to 10 together. Six, sept, huit, neuf. These. Excellent. Now let's count all the way from 1 to 10. Repeat after me, one number at a time. Un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq, six, sept, huit, neuf, dix. Wonderful. You have just counted to 10 in French. Let's do one final review. I'll say the number in French. Try to remember what it means before I tell you. Un, that's one. Trois, that's three. Cinq, that's five. Sept, that's seven. Dix, that's 10. Bravo! You now know how to count from 1 to 10 in French. Try counting things around you today. Your fingers, your steps, anything using your new numbers. À demain. See you tomorrow for another lesson.